आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is, a bag contains 12 red balls and 6 white balls. 6 balls are drawn one by one without replacement, of which at least 4 balls are white. Find the probability that in the next two drawn, exactly one white ball is drawn. Okay, and leave the answer in NCR form. Okay, so here I have to assume something. Okay, here a bag contains 12 red balls and 6 white balls. Okay, and 6 balls are drawn one by one without replacement. Okay, and of which at least 4 balls are white. Okay, so I assumed here a case I assumed is as 4 white balls. Okay, are drawn in first 6 draws. Okay, first 6 draws. Similarly, okay, because here it is said that at least 4 balls, and similarly in case B, 5 white balls are drawn in first 6 draws. Okay, similarly I take case C, that is 6 white balls are drawn in first 6 draws. Okay, and here we have to find that probability that in the next two drawn exactly one white ball is drawn. Okay, so I can write here okay, I assume I have to find the probability of E. Okay, so here E is exactly one white ball. Okay, one white ball is drawn in next two draws. Okay, and we have to find this probability, so I can write here P of E is equals to P of E by A into P of A. So I apply here the conditional probability plus P of E by B into P of B plus P of E by C into P of C. Okay, which is equals to, so from here I can say P of E by C is equals to 0, because here we pick 6 white balls. Okay, here we pick 6 white balls, and there is total 6 white balls in the box. Okay, total 6 white balls in the box, so probability of E by C is, that's why 0. Okay, then I can write here P of E is equals to, here I write P of E by A. Okay, so P of E by A, here it is said that 12 red ball and 6 white ball. Okay, and here I can write P of E, so here 10C1. Okay, because one, okay, so out of 10 balls I have to pick one red. Okay, one red, and then here it is into 2C1 upon total ball is 12 plus 10 plus 2, that is 12C2. Okay, into probability of A. Probability of A is 12C2 into 6C4 upon total number of ball is 12 plus 6 is 18. C 2 plus 4, that is 6. Okay, out of 18 ball we have to pick total 6 ball. Okay, plus this part becomes 0, so this entire term is 0, and P of E by B. Similarly P of E by B is 11C1 into 1C1 upon 12C. Okay, 12C2. Okay, so here it is 12C2. Okay, then here it is into, then the probability of B. Probability of B is 12C1 into 6C5 upon total number of ball is 18. C 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so this is the answer of given question. Okay, so thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।